These Christmas decorations are so easy to make and will look beautiful on your tree this year. To start, collect all your supplies. You'll need paint, a paintbrush, pipe cleaners, some ties, and of course your pasta. You will need to paint your pasta first. Dip your paintbrush into the paint pot and remove any excess paint. Then paint the pasta, taking time to paint all the hard to reach areas. Then allow all your pasta pieces to dry. To make the wreath, take a red pipe cleaner and thread the pasta. Make sure all your pieces are facing the same direction and leave a small space between each pasta piece. Once you have your 8 pieces on, take each end of the pipe cleaner and pull the ends together, then twist to secure. Gently shape your wreath into a circle. Next, twist a second pipe cleaner into a bow. And twist the bow onto the wreath to secure. They look so great finished. To make a tree, take a gold pipe cleaner and thread on 3 pieces of pasta. Take the free end and twist to secure the pasta. Taking the other end of the pipe cleaner, twist it into a star shape. Finish your decoration by attaching the gold tie. This may be a little tricky, so ask an adult to help. Fold the tie and loop it over the pipe cleaner like this to attach. And now you're all set to decorate for the holidays.